Hey guys, welcome back. What's this? See, there's a handle. Oh. New scissors. So a lot of you guys have been commenting lately that we need some new scissors. I don't know what you guys are talking about. These have been working just fine. Okay, you guys might be right. But now you guys are going to have to find something else to comment on because we've got new scissors. Not only do these cut through paracord with one cut, but they cut through a lot of other things as well. Let's test these guys out. Cue the montage. So, let that be the end of your complaining. Hope you guys have a great new year, and we'll see you in the next video.